Selling your home? You already know the market is competitive and buyers are more discerning than ever. So how do you stand out? The answer isn't always a new bathroom or a fancy renovation. Often, it starts with a truly excellent pre-sale clean. Let's walk through practical, proven tips to help you present your home in its best light without breaking the bank. Why cleaning isn't just cleaning. When you're selling, it's easy to think a tidy up will do, but selling a home requires a different kind of clean. Not just comfortable to live in, but clean enough to impress a stranger within seconds. Buyers don't walk through your home with love goggles on. They're searching for signs of work, neglect, effort, and care. A sparkling home says, "This property is ready. It's been well maintained." You can move in stress-free. The 3 zones that make or break a sale. 1. Bathrooms. Buyers look for hygiene, freshness, and sparkle. Grimy grout, soap scum, or mould. Deal breakers. Your goal: sparkling taps, clean tiles, streak-free mirrors, and a fresh scent. 2. Kitchens. This is where dreams or doubts are made. Wipe cabinets inside and out, degrease appliances, clear the sink, clean the oven, and neutralise any odours. Pro tip: remove magnets and clutter from the fridge. It creates instant visual calm. 3. Entryways and floors. First impressions start before the buyer even takes their shoes off. Sweep the porch, clean the front door, and make floors shine. If carpets are stained or dull, consider a steam clean. It can transform a space. Don't forget, these overlooked hotspots windows. Clean windows let in light and make your home feel bigger and more inviting. Walls and doors. Magic erasers are your friend. Remove fingerprints, scuffs, and mystery marks, especially near handles and light switches. Odours. You may not smell your pets or last night's dinner, but buyers will. Use neutral, fresh scents and air the house before inspections. Closets and storage. Buyers will open cupboards. Declutter, dust, and give everything room to breathe. Overstuffed spaces feel smaller. DIY or hire help. If you've got the time, energy, and eye for detail, you can absolutely tackle much of this yourself. But if you're short on time or just want that professional polish, booking a pre-sale cleaning team is a smart move. They'll know exactly what to target and how to make your home inspection ready without the stress. When to clean for maximum impact. Before your real estate photos. That's when your home needs to be at its absolute best. Then do a light refresh before your first open house. And if your home stays on the market for a while, schedule a touch-up every couple of weeks. Consistency matters. You never know which inspection will be the one. Final tip: don't leave it too late. Great cleaners book out quickly, especially during peak selling months. So plan ahead. Build cleaning into your sales timeline and give yourself the best chance to wow from day one. Because in the world of home sales, presentation is everything. A clean home sells faster. It sells for more. And it sells with less stress. So whether you DIY it or call in the pros, clean like your buyer is arriving tomorrow, because they just might be.